Welcome to a revelation that's been hiding in plain sight, the unassuming hero of our digital lives. This isn't some glossy product breakdown. It's a deep dive into the soul of a device that's been quietly revolutionizing how we create, consume, and connect. We're talking about the iPad mini, that sleek underdog Apple crafted not for the spotlight, but for the moments that truly matter, turning everyday chaos into seamless magic. What do you think is the most overlooked tool in your tech arsenal right now? Drop a comment below and share your take. Let's spark some ideas together. Picture this: the iPad mini as your indispensable third wheel, bridging the gap between the tiny world of your smartphone and the bulky demands of a full laptop. In that sweet spot, it works wonders, blending pro-level muscle with the effortless portability of something that tucks into your jacket like an old friend. At first glance, it might seem like a charming downsized iPad, but cradle it in your hand and you'll feel the shift. It's a finely tuned instrument built for sharp, intuitive action. We've all watched screens balloon over the years, phones morphing into unwieldy bricks and tablets straining to mimic desktops. But real productivity isn't won by sheer scale. It's about the perfect fit for the moment, and the Mini's crisp 8.3-inch liquid retina display stands as a bold stand against that giant screen frenzy, sized just like your favorite novel for deep, distraction-free dives into books or articles that larger slabs simply can't match. It glides into your bag side compartment, your tote, or, on daring days, your jeans pocket, weighing next to nothing until you sense the immense possibilities packed inside. Far from a concession, this compact form is pure advantage, a stealthy ally in life's unscripted scenes. Envision yourself navigating a bustling job site, a hectic hour shift, a jam flight row, whipping up dinner in a tight space, or just unwinding under the covers. Here, a typical 11 or 13-inch tablet feels like dead weight, an awkward intruder. The Mini, though, stays out of sight until summoned, then springs to life as your go-to digital slate, rugged field guide, or cozy companion for one-handed marathons through a whole story, page after immersive page. It's a faithful sidekick that shadows your every move, evolving from mere device to daily essential through that unwavering readiness. Delving deeper, the real thrill pulses from its core, a beastly A17 Pro chip, borrowed straight from the iPhone's elite lineup, pumping this pint-sized wonder with next-gen fire. When Apple last overhauled the Mini, they didn't settle for tweaks. They vaulted it across two silicon eras, unleashing raw, unbridled prowess that redefines what's possible in a frame this tidy. Expect soaring CPU speeds, graphics that punch way above their weight, and a neural engine doubled in agility, translating to tangible wins that ripple through your routine. For the dedicated learner buried in studies, gone are the days of fumbling between heavy text, scribbled pads, and clunky calculators. Team it with the Apple Pencil Pro, and becomes the smoothest sketching station imaginable, letting you scribble equations that solve themselves via math notes or run lecture slides alongside your fresh sketches in effortless split-screen harmony. Pure flow, no interruptions. Creators rejoice. This chip powers through 4K footage trims, intricate vector builds, or Lightroom tweaks on hefty image libraries with grin, shrugging off pro-only barriers like their child's play and morphing fleeting sparks of genius into polished masterpieces right from your pocket. Gamers, here's the insider edge. With hardware amp ray tracing, the Mini emerges as a stealth titan among handheld rigs, devouring high-fidelity titles at native glory on a pixel-packed panel that tricks you into thinking you've got a console in your grip. That intoxicating mismatch of brute force and Featherlight build pulls you in for just 5 minutes, only to reveal you could wrap up a full endeavor before you know it. And oh, the Apple Pencil Pro synergy elevates it all. The squeeze for swift tool swaps, barrel twists for flawless stroke mastery. But the true enchantment lies in how the Mini mirrors a real journal's intimacy. It's glare-resistant, bonded screen delivering strokes that feel alive, urging, almost begging you to capture ideas, ink deals, or blueprint visions that sync straight to cloud, banishing stacks of printouts forever. Don't overlook the USB-C lifeline either. Ditching Lightning wasn't mere housekeeping. It flung open doors to a versatile, pro-grade universe. Hook up an external SSD to dump gigabytes from a shoot in seconds, or daisy-chain a dock to juice your phone while streaming tunes. It's a universal connector that weaves the Mini into your broader ecosystem. Newer iterations crank data flows to 10 gigabits per second, a quiet powerhouse for shuttling video reels or raw assets without a hitch. Peering ahead, the mini saga is far from over. Whispers point to a 2026 refresh that could eclipse every prior step, headlined by an OLED glow-up. On this intimate canvas, OLED promises velvety shadows that swallow edges, punchy contrast for HDR epics, and hues so faithful they'll eclipse even the big siblings, draw you into films like a private screening or easing late-night reads with gentler, truer light. It's like clutching a window to vivid realms in your palm. The upgrades cascade from there. An A19 Pro brain to supercharge AI smarts and local learning, ensuring this gem stays leagues ahead of its tag. Plus tantalizing hints of splash-proofing to free you for poolside sketches, splashy cooking sessions, or rainy day rambles without a second thought. At its heart, the mini whispers that computing can thrill without the bulk. Intimate, potent, tailored just so. It claims a throne among tablets by sealing the chasm no other fills. Phones falter for deep dives, laptops lug like burdens, but the mini strikes that ideal balance, the Swiss Army blade of screens. It's crafted for the nomad who prizes ease, the dreamer clinging to pen and paper poetry, the expert craving on-the-fly intel, diagnostics, or hasty polishes. Pair it with a pro, it's your swift shadow. Starting fresh in Apple's orbit, it's the savvy, potent gateway that won't break the bank. No hyperbole. The iPad mini isn't merely solid. It's a pinnacle of pint-sized brilliance, a habit you'll mistake for a mere extra until it's indispensable. You've landed on the hush-hush essence of today's tech, the overlooked gem of a device that's been reshaping the perfect companion. This isn't a review. This is an exploration into the nature of the perfect companion device, a device that has been dismissed, overlooked, and consistently underestimated. This is the story of the iPad mini and why it is the most deceptively powerful, perfectly sized, and utterly essential piece of technology Apple has ever created. It's not the biggest. It's not the one with the Pro badge, but it is the one you will always grab first. The iPad mini is the third place, the crucial space between your phone and your laptop. And in that space, it performs an extraordinary alchemy. It gives you the power of a Pro machine, but with the convenience of a notebook you can carry in a coat pocket. You see it, and you think, cute, a miniature iPad, but you hold it and you realize this is a power tool forged for precision. Yet efficiency whispers a different tale, one where battery whispers endurance without excess. Apple clocks it at 10 hours for streams or surf sessions over Wi-Fi, but in the wild, it's a champ that often stretches further, especially for lighter lifts like dim-lit novel binges or casual feeds, potentially coasting 2 to 3 days on sips of power thanks to the A17 Shrewd Energy Dance. Crank up the ray-traced epics, and it'll sip faster, sure, but the equilibrium holds. A full shift of grind or grindstone without desperate plugs. And when recharge calls, its trim cell bounces back swiftly. A quick 15-minute hit buys hours more. Proving portability means reliability you can bank on. The Mini Spark ignites brightest through its allies, those clever extensions that propel it from Phone Plus to micro mainframe. For scribes and sketchers, the Pencil Pro shines brightest atop a paper-like shield, its subtle grip banishing glassy glide for strokes that echo real vellum, birthing the ultimate pocket-bound ledger. For desk-less desks, snag a snappy Bluetooth board or pointer, compact keys, and a tailored tracker morph into a laser-focused hub for ledger labyrinths or pixel-perfect crops, leveraging that tiny vista for undivided attention amid full-kit command. The ace up its sleeve? Sidecar or duet wizardry, flipping the Mini into a lag-free annex for your rig, whether Mac or PC. Park chats or charts aside while you mainline tasks from a cafe corner, or beam it as a jet-setter's extra pain for globe-trotting splits. These aren't frills. They're amplifiers, shattering size as shackles, so the silicon sings, arming the Agile with a dynamo that defies its silhouette. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.